Linking your bank account to Gmail can enhance your financial management by allowing you to receive important notifications and manage transactions easily. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Open Gmail. Start by logging into your Gmail account on your computer or mobile device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. Step 2. Access Google Pay. Navigate to Google Pay by either searching for it in your browser or accessing it through the Google Apps menu. This service is integrated with Gmail and will facilitate the linking of your bank account. Step 3. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Google Pay account, sign in using your Gmail credentials. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account, ensuring you provide accurate information. Step 4. Link your bank account. Once in Google Pay, look for the option to add a payment method or link a bank account. Enter your bank details as prompted, including your account number and routing number. Follow any additional verification steps required by your bank. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Confirm the linking process and save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification in Gmail once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to your Gmail, making it easier to manage your finances. Always ensure that your account information is secure and monitor your transactions regularly.